Hello everyone, welcome to FinBuff. This video is part of the series in which I explain to you how do I do my selection of stocks for intraday trading. And this is based upon pure price action and simplified analysis of the stock market. Tomorrow is 1st of June, so let's look at the stocks that we can potentially trade for tomorrow. First, let's quickly look at the Nifty index. So Nifty is currently at 9,600 level, and it has come to this level for the second time now. And there's a very good chance that tomorrow Nifty can break the 9,600 level and go up. The technical analysis of the chart shows that it wants to basically break out from the 9,600 level and go up. But there's a very good chance that it will face some resistance around 9,800 level because that is where it had gapped down from. So we will have to wait and see what happens tomorrow, but there's a very good chance that the markets will be positive tomorrow. Now let's have a look at the stocks that we can potentially trade tomorrow. So I have selected a few stocks for the long side and a few stocks for the short side. So depending on what happens in the market, we shall trade accordingly. So let's first have a look at the stocks for the long side. Let's take a look at DLF. Now, DLF has been trading in the range and has been hitting the 150 mark for quite some time. It has now come once, twice, thrice, and this is the fourth time that it has come to the 150 mark. Furthermore, 150 being a round number is also a psychological level. So there's a very good chance that DLF can break out from the 150 level and go up tomorrow. Similarly, if we take a look at HDFC Bank, it has been hitting the 950 level for quite some time. After trading in a small range, it then went down and now is back up to 950. If tomorrow Bank Nifty goes positive, there's a very good chance that HDFC Bank will also go up with it. Next stock in our long list is Maruti. So Maruti is also in a breakout phase and it is back at the 5600 level, and 5600 being a round number, it has just crossed it, so there's a very good chance Maruti will also go up tomorrow. The last stock in the long list that I have is Glenmark. Glenmark has also been around the 355 level for quite some time now, and it has been trading within this range. So there's a very good chance that Glenmark can break out tomorrow from this level. So if it goes up tomorrow, we might be able to see a good move up, but we'll have to of course wait and see what happens first. If the stock starts showing some positive signs, then definitely we can consider Glenmark also for the long side. Now let's have a quick look on the stocks which we can potentially consider for the short side. The first stock that I have is NIIT Tech. Now NIIT Tech yesterday, Friday, when the markets were going positive, it did not go up, but it came down, and now it's at a round number of 1450. So there's a very good chance that NIIT Tech can come down tomorrow. If it breaks the 1450 level tomorrow, there's a very good chance that it can give a good fall tomorrow. Of course, we'll have to wait and see what happens. If it breaks the 1450 level, then yes, definitely NIIT Tech would be a good trade for us on the short side. The next stock in our list is Ramco. Now, Ramco Cement has been around, is now at about 600 level. Again, 600 being a round number is a very interesting level. If it crosses 600 level and goes down, we might be able to see a good fall. And the next support that it has is roughly around 585, 590 level. So we can potentially look at shorting Ramco for about 5 to 7 points tomorrow. The last stock that I have in my list for short side is Torrent Pharma. Now, if you look at Torrent Pharma, it has made a doji on Friday, but so it's made a very unclear move. The buyers and the sellers were not able to determine which direction Torrent Pharma had to go. Even having said that, it is now at a level which it has come the third time. So there's a very good potential that Torrent Pharma can go down from here. So tomorrow, let's wait and watch. If Torrent Pharma basically shows negative signs, then there's a very good chance it can come down tomorrow, and we can consider Torrent Pharma for the short side sale tomorrow. So yeah, so these are the list of 7 stocks that I'm considering. I'm going to keep my eye on for tomorrow's day trades. 4 on the long side, 3 on the short side, and we have to definitely wait and observe and see what happens in the market first, and then take a call on what trades we want to take. Hope you get a fair understanding of how I do my stock selection based purely on price action strategy. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I shall be making more of these simplified price action based simplified trading strategy videos in the coming days. Stay tuned for my live trading videos and also my intraday stock selection videos. In the meantime, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.